Hey everybody, it's Eric here with Spartan AutoWorks, and today our tech talk is about Ford DPS6 transmission control modules. These are found on Ford Focuses and Ford Fiestas primarily. If you have one of these and you bought it new, or you had it when it went out, when it was still in the warranty period, there was a time where these were on like intergalactic back order. That's changed now, they're readily available, but recently the price has gone through the roof. Normally, I always prefer a brand new unit, but the price has skyrocketed to just out of this world prices. So cloning a bad unit to a good unit is more cost effective these days. So if you have a Ford Fiesta or a Ford Focus with a bad TCM, you can buy a donor unit, send the original and the donor, we clone it. When you put it back in, you'll have to do the touch point for the clutches and the shifter learn. And then you will, anybody that's done one of these touch points, you will know that sometimes they can be problematic and you'll have to do it multiple times. So just be prepared. You will need a scan tool that will do that. If you don't have a scan tool, I always recommend ForScan. ForScan will do the relearn procedures. But we are offering this as a cloning service now, so you can basically make it plug and play on a used one. We can clone to a new one as well, but new ones are extremely expensive. So cloning to a used one is way more cost effective. We do ask that when you ship us these, that you package them properly because they are kind of fragile. The other thing too is you will notice a lot of times on the back side here that you will get oil that comes out of these connectors here. So make sure that when you package it that you're not going to get oil seeping out of the package where UPS or FedEx or the post office is going to kick back the package. And then you just want to be very careful when you package them that they don't bounce around. So use lots of bubble wrap or foam or something to wrap them. So make sure you take good care of them. Make sure you mark the original, mark the replacement, so we know which one is the new one, which one's the original, and we can clone these for you. So we're going to put information, the link in the description to the website. There'll be a form you'll fill out. You'll fill out the form. The address where to ship it to is on that form. Just make sure that you package them correctly, and then make sure, obviously, if you have any questions about compatibility, reach out to us first with part numbers, and we can verify that the one that you have is compatible. But if you have a Ford Focus or Fiesta, this service is for you. Like I said, new is definitely preferred. If you have one of these, you know they're problematic, but the price has just gone through the roof. So cloning is going to be a major cost-effective savings for most people now. So if you're interested in the service, check the link below in the description, or you can always check out our website at plugandplayautoparts.com. There you'll find all our programming offerings for all our different makes and brands. Thanks. Have a great day.